Today I will discuss about data types in Access. Data types. Why we need data types? Why we need data types? Data types, are the types of data values. Are the types of data values which field will hold, like number data types, characters data types, date data types, time data types, etc. Okay, so according to usage we will take data types. Next is short text. Short text data types. The size of the short text data types up to 255 characters in short type data type. So suppose you are writing name, you are writing father's name, mother's name, then we will take short text data types. Long type data types. Long text data types. When you are thinking about our characters up to 64,000 characters are there, then we will use long text data type. Okay, here number data types. In number data types, if you want to put only number, then we will use number data type. Okay, number data types we will use. Suppose you are putting roll number, you are putting contact number, then we will use number data type. Date and time data types. If suppose your date of birth, then we will use date data types. Okay, date and time data types. And if you want to put the time, then we will use auto numbers. Automatically it will takes. Okay, yes, no. Suppose male and females, so your answer come in yes, no. So here we will put if anything's asking about in yes or no answers, answer asking in two form, yes, no, or true, false, or on, off, then we will use yes, no data types. Next is hyperlink data types. So a link address to documents or file on the internet, on on local area networks, so or on your local computer, then we will use hyperlink. Understood? Next topics, attachment. Why we will use attachment data types? Attachment data type we will use to attach the files, pictures, document, spreadsheet, or other things, charts, etc. You want to attach, then we will use attachment data types. Calculated, all of I already know about. If you want to solve any expressions, create any expressions, then we will use. And look wizards depend upon the data types of the look wizard fields. Here complex look wizard and simple look wizards. Okay, next we will learn about views. Why we are using views of a table? So here telling about views of a table means how do we view a table. So according to the usage, view classified into two types. First is dataset view and second is design view. How many types of view? Two types, dataset view and design view. So dataset view and design, according to name design, that means if this view allow to create, allow to set and edit the fields of your database, and including entering their names, data types, description, all this information you want to put, then we will use design view. Okay, then dataset view allow you to enter information into your database. That means suppose you want to create tables. After creating table, then you want to go and see where is our table, so then we will use data set view to check. Okay students, so all these things are the views of data, views of table. Okay.